Good morning, students. Now, today we will do lab manual in which experiment number 1 and 2 already we have done. Next is experiment number 3. The aim of the experiment is to study fermentation of wheat flour dough. Wheat flour dough means गेहूं का गूथा हुआ आटा जो घर में मम्मी करती होंगी रोटी बनाने के लिए. Increase in volume by using yeast. Test of released gas in lime water. Fermentation, I already explained you in microorganism chapter. It is an anaerobic process during which the microorganism such as yeast release energy and carbon dioxide. It is an anaerobic process, that means it occurs in the absence of oxygen, and the microorganisms such as yeast, it release energy and carbon dioxide, and glucose get converted into alcohol. So yeast is a single celled fungus. It is already explained to you. It is a kind of fungus which is used in making dough in bakery for sponginess. घर में मम्मी के पास भी होगा, किसी के पास है तो इसे देखो. ड्राई ईस्ट इज देयर विच इज यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर द डो फॉर naan, or someone can used in baking industry to increase the dough, so the dough become fluffy, soft हो जाना. So materials needed: 100 gram of wheat flour, water, bowl to make dough, and yeast powder. 100 gram of wheat flour, water, balloon, thread, and fresh lime water in a tube. So first, what we will do? What is the method? Increase in volume by using yeast. Take the wheat flour and put it into the bowl. Add required water to make a thick dough. It is done for making chapatis or naan, and make a dough ball and keep it in a ball. Add half teaspoon yeast powder to rest of the dough and mix it well with dough. Oh, in first one we have to not add any yeast. Simple making a dough, that means to make the chapatis. Simple roti जो बनता है by preparing the dough by adding water to it. In second one we will put some yeast powder and then mix it well and make a dough. Make 2 dough balls out of this and put one ball in another bowl, other dough ball into a rubber balloon and tie the mouth. That means by this dough which we have prepared by using yeast, we will make 2 ball. जितना आटा होगा गूथा हुआ उसका 2 भाग करेंगे और एक भाग को एक बोल में डालेंगे और दूसरे को रबड़ बैलून के अंदर डाल देना है एंड tie the mouth of this balloon. Keep the dough balls and balloon as such for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. पूरी रात के लिए हम लोग बाहर ऐसे छोड़ देंगे. See here, first ball with no yeast, and second is with yeast, and it is kept outside for few hours. What we will observe? The observation will be: first, the dough without yeast shows little increase in volume as we are keeping it outside for 2 to 3 hours or 4 5 hours, then it will increase in volume. But the second one, in which we have added yeast, it shows more increase in volume, just double of the first one it may be. And it is inside there is too much pores. If you try to make it small balls from the big one, you can see inside the pores are there, and this is due to the yeast present there, which get respire.